Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Open your books, please. Unit 1, okay, Lesson 1, Global English 8. Let's now talk about grammar today, the usage of determiners. Now we have here neither, each, every, all, both. We use neither to talk about negative position for two persons, okay? So now we use neither in negative sentences or negative contexts. Each and every, each, we use it to talk about, also here now, each and every have the same meaning, but every is more common than each. So here now, each and every are the same, and they are used as, okay, here, to connect. Okay. Both of, we use it for also, when we talk about two persons, okay, and we use it in positive forms. We use it in positive forms. Okay, now, my mom speaks Mandarin Chinese and my dad speaks English, so I speak both of these languages at home. Neither of my parents speaks a foreign language. Now here, we use both to talk about two ones. Who are they? His parents, his father and his mother. Both of them. We use it in positive forms. Both of them speak, for example, Mandarin or Chinese. But neither of them speaks a foreign language. It means that they don't speak a foreign language. Look here now. We use all to talk about, here now, talk about plural nouns. When we describe all, we use plural nouns and a plural verb. All my lessons are in English. Every lesson is in English or in Indonesian. So all to talk about many things or many ones, and every to talk about singular nouns. So we have here all for plural nouns and every for singular nouns. We use here, after all, we can use a pronoun. All my brothers live in Canada. Okay? All my brothers live in Canada. Okay, speaking, work with a partner, talk about the languages you speak, choose one or two of the statements in exercise 1, number 4 now. Let's do number 4. Okay, but before doing number 4, let's go back to number 2. Fill a word or phrase and find a word or phrase in the text in exercise 1, which means the. A little means a bit of. The language of the country you were born in, it means here mother tongue or the first language. It is mother tongue. Speaking two languages, bilingual. Speaking to languages, bilingual. Able to use a foreign language easily, fluent. The language you learn after your first language, it means second language. Second language. No longer existing means extinct. Again, now let's repeat them again. A little bit, a little means a bit of, small amount of. The language of the country you were born in, it means mother tongue. Mother tongue or first language. Speaking two languages, bilingual. Bilingual. Able to use a foreign language easily. fluent. Able to use a foreign language easily, it means fluent. The language you learn after your first language, second language. No longer existing, extinct. It is extinct. Let's see here number 4. Okay. Complete sentences with all, both, neither, every. Remember to use of where necessary. Both of my parents speak English, so I hear it a lot at home. I've got 2 English friends, and can we see here neither or both? Neither means negative, but both for positive forms. So here now we use both of them has ever. And both of them are from London. They were born there. My 2 cousins live in India. But, if we have but here, mean it is a contrast. It is a contrast, and we have to use here neither of. Neither of them has ever been to Mumbai. I practice my Italian. Okay. Every summer, when I go to see my grandparents in Bologna, I practice my Italian. Every summer, when I go to see my grandparents in Bologna. In English, all the words for language start with capital letters. In English, all the words for languages start with capital letter. And you have to do the exercises in your workbook. Okay. Look at this now. In this map, what countries can you see here? And where is it? Is it in Asia, Africa, or Europe? Look here, we have Indonesia. We have Australia, and here we have Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea. These are islands, okay? They are in the southern part of Australia. They are in the, northern, not southern. They are in the northern part of Australia, and this country was colonized by Australia. Let's see now here about Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea is the eastern part of the island of New Guinea. It has a population of just over 7 million people. So now here, how many people do they live in Papua New Guinea? 7 million, 8 million, or 9 million? Yeah, thank you very much. 7 million people live in Papua New Guinea. The capital is Port Moresby. The country became independent from Australia in 1975. What's the meaning independent here? Independent means that it was occupied and now it's free. It's not colonized. So it took its independence from Australia in 1975. There are about 800 languages in Papua New Guinea. That's more languages than in any other country in the world. Now, and it's important now to know that in this country, there are 800 languages are spoken in this country. It means that a lot of languages are spoken in this country. Why? We will see now the reason why do they speak 800 languages. Thank you today, and see you next lesson, inshallah.